Take a drive through the Driftless Region in southwest Wisconsin and come explore Fennimore. The colors are stunning with rolling hills, rich farmland, and beautiful landscapes. Our country roads will make you feel right at home. Fennimore is a place where both agriculture and industry thrive. We are proud to be the home of major employers like Southwest Wisconsin Technical College and Energizer Holdings, along with tourist destinations like Carr Valley Cheese. Make sure you stop and take a photo with Igor. He's a Fennimore icon. Visit our historic downtown business district on Lincoln Avenue and enjoy our many restaurants, along with Dwight Parker Public Library, the Railroad Museum, and Memorial Park. Bring the whole family to enjoy our many parks and recreation facilities like Marsden Park, or play a game at Derek Lendosky Community Field at Oakwood Community Park. Go hiking or play disc golf at Oakwood Nature Park and grab your clubs for $9 at Hickory Grove Golf Course. We guarantee you'll fall in love with Fennimore. How do we know? We sure did. If this intrigues you, we welcome you to this friendly community we call home. We encourage you to experience all that Fennimore has to offer. Come explore Fennimore.